Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Diamond Painting by Nat. If you watched my previous video, you know that I purchased lots and lots of new Make Market Christmas designs. And in this video, I would like to actually unbox two smaller kits on top of this. Bigger kits, I also purchased ornaments and Christmas cards. So what I like about it that it contains four Christmas cards in each kit, which is awesome. Nutcracker. This is not a Christmas. So they have this design in Christmas cards. This one, the snowflakes, again, four each. And this Christmas tree, which we are going to open today. And also designs, and also ornaments. I'm just way too excited today. That is why I'm switching and confusing the words. So each kit contains like, I don't know how many, six maybe? Six pre-printed ornaments. So we are going to open it and see how they look inside. And as to the ornaments, they have the nutcracker, the Christmas tree, the snowman, this wreath that we are going to open, the candy cane, and the snowflake. So again, each of them contains six of ornaments, of each ornament. We are opening these two. So let's start with the wreath ornament. As you can see, there are six of them. Unlike the diamond dots ornaments, if you diamond painted them before, this is a little bit softer. The plastic is a little bit softer, and I'm kind of disappointed that it is not diamond painted on the back side. But I don't know if it was the idea from the very beginning. Maybe instead of having six, separate ornaments, what we can do, we can just put them on top of each other, glue them, or just use the rope over here in the eye, and like this, put them together and use them as ornaments that are diamond painted from both sides. But note that they're not very symmetrical, as you can see. Okay, so here the first ornaments, the first kit that we unboxed, the smaller one. So it, as you can see, it is covered with a plastic wrap. Once you take it out, there is the adhesive, and you start diamond painting. And as you can see, these kits come with special drills and the rope, wool rope, to hang them on the tree. As to the ornaments, as to the drill, there are resin drills, as you can see. This is the pine itself, right? Regular resin drills and different shades of green. There are AB diamonds, the red ones. There are special shaped diamonds. These orange or yellow ones are kind of purple. These are crystal unique shaped diamonds. These are also not purple, I said pearl, kind of like pearl unique shaped diamonds, red, blue, and pink. It's pretty. It's very pretty. AB crystals, pearl, beautiful, and resin. So this is the first one. The second one is going to be Christmas cards. And I will unbox the rest of them, but I will be doing it gradually once I start working on them. I don't want to unbox all of them and just, make a mess. So as soon as I start diamond painting, or my daughter starts diamond painting them, I will be unboxing and making short videos, okay? I'm doing it now. I'm unboxing this to the ornament and the Christmas tree, just to give you an idea what it is and how it looks. The next ones are Christmas cards. I purchased it for my daughter to give it to her teachers for Christmas. So each kit contains 4 Christmas cards, which is awesome. Now, again, there is a plastic on top of it, a plastic cover. There is the glue under it, and this, for example, card also comes with special shape. It also comes with 4 envelopes and a set of tools. I didn't mention it, but I think it's quite obvious that every single kit comes with a standard set of tools. As to the drills, so also the variety, metallic golden ones, crystal stars, pearl, pink, unique shaped diamonds. I like this color, very bright pink, blue, light blue, even lighter blue, the smaller size, a little bit bigger pearl red drills. These are unique shaped crystal drills, red color, again like yellow, lemon yellow, pearl, unique shaped drills, white AB diamonds, and resin drills. As for instance, that's this part of the tree, which is not even supposed to be AB, and three shades of green for the Christmas tree itself, which makes sense also if it comes with resin drills, like if it is diamond painted with resin drills instead of AB diamond. So I think it's beautiful. The kits are amazing, and I mean you can rotate and or mix the Christmas cards for different teachers if you want, or you can give all of them the same. But I think it's beautiful that the kids would make it with their own hands, or even adults giving it to their colleagues for Christmas to celebrate. So, and this kit, not the best lighting, and unfortunately it doesn't sparkle on the camera as much as it is on real life, but this kit is also available in Michael. So soon I will unbox one of these kits. Where are my other two? I think I bought 6 of them. Yeah, they're behind. So we will be also gradual unboxing every single kit that I purchased. So Rush, it's 30% off every single kit. Okay, the entire purchase will be 30% off. So $5 after the discount for the smaller kits and $10 after the discount for bigger kits. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and you can also purchase it online on Michael's website. Bye.